Before we jump into today's courtroom drama, here's what you need to know. One defendant is facing multiple violent felony charges that carry the possibility of spending the rest of his life behind bars. Another walks into court hoping for probation, but one conversation with the judge changes everything. Watch closely because this isn't just about the sentences, it's about the decisions, the honesty, and the moments that completely reshape each defendant's future. Stay until the end, because the judge's final words may be the most powerful part of the entire hearing.
All right, so 30 years, that's a lot of time, but do not go to the prison and become institutionalized. 2023 CR 2703, 2023 CR 2704, and 2023 CR 2530. State of Texas versus Tyrone Eds. Is it Eds or Eats? Eats. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
For the defense.
And are you Mr. Eats?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each cause number, and did you review that discovery with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Eads, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? State, and cause number ending in 2703, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And in cause number ending in 2704, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
And in the cause number ending in 2530, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
One moment, there was no notes on the file itself.
All right, just 1 minute. I'll be able to tell you.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry about that. That's okay.
Yep, there are 2 counts.
Does it say on there, Judge? Yeah, does it say on there, Judge?
No.
I was proceeding on that.
Okay, proceeding as presented, Judge.
All right. And each cause number ending in 2703 and 2704, you're charged with aggravated robbery. And in each cause number ending in 2530, and both counts, you're charged with aggravated sexual assault. Range of punishment in each of those cause numbers is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Eads, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas? Anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, the causes ought to run concurrently. State is going to be taking in consideration 2023 CR 2702, 2023 CR 2705, and cause numbers ending in 2703 and 2704. If the court determines there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, then the court will enter an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and that is the same in cause number 2530. And according to the plea bargain agreement, the punishment is to be assessed at 30 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense? State?
Yes, Judge.
And each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Then, in cause number ending in 2703, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And the cause number ending in 2704, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number ending in 2530, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Honor, state would offer states civil one each of the separate cause numbers. We had a chance to review, Your Honor, no objection.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, in each cause number, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, but most importantly, there will be no live witnesses? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number. The court will review the same. All right. In each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would ask the court go along with the plea bargain as it has been tendered by the state. My client is taking full responsibility of the matter. My understanding is he even has written a letter of apology in the sexual assault case. And so we would ask you to give him credit for all the time served and give him the plea bargain amount.
All right. And the cause number ending in 2703, the court will find you guilty. The court will find there's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Daniel, Laura, and John Albert Elizondo. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2704, 2023 CR 2530. Take in consideration 2023 CR 2702 and 2023 CR 2705. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that case? And the cause number ending in 2704, court is finding you guilty. Court is finding an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Daniel, Laura, and John Albert Elizondo. Court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison. And I'm sorry, and the cause number ending in 2703, in case I didn't say it, the court has sentenced you to 30 years in the prison and give you credit for any time served. And back in cause number 2, ending in 2704, court is going to sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And this is to be concurrent with 2023 CR 2703, 2530, taking consideration 2023 CR 2705 and 2702. Is there anything with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
And then in cause number ending in 2530, your plea of no contest was to both counts 1 and 2. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the court will find you guilty in count 1 and count 2. Count 1 and count 2 is to run concurrently. Court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the complainant. This is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 2704, 2023 CR 2703. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Take in consideration 2023 CR 2705, 2023 CR 2702. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapon or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
21.
All right, so 30 years, that's a lot of time. But do not go to the prison and become institutionalized. Eventually, you will be released from prison. And if you don't change your ways, it's not going to go well for you in this world. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
By this point, the defendant had accepted responsibility for every charge. His attorney asked the court to honor the negotiated plea agreement and noted that he had even written a letter of apology. But the courtroom already knew the seriousness of the crimes. The only thing left was for the judge to officially decide how the next 30 years of his life would begin.
In 2024, CR 1902, State of Texas versus Angelo Rosado. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Michael J. Sawyer.
Are you Mr. Rosado?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rosado, did you review what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in this case?
Say that again.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Sure has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Mr. Rosado, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes. I did.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Do, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
Defense has no objection.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I think what the court needs to know is contained in the paperwork, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say? All right, do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
5, 15, 18, and 19.
Do they live with you?
No,
When's the last time you had contact with them?
it's been a couple of years.
Why?
My youngest lives in Louisiana with her mom. My other two boys are older, I'll put in their own thing. And the other one, I just don't get along with the mom, so I just,
All right, do you pay child support?
yes,
All right, the reason why I ask that, because some people don't realize that when you're on probation, you're required to support your dependents.
yes.
All right, are you employed?
Dealing with this, no, I'm on and off.
When's the last time you had employment?
I'm a subcontractor, so, I get work as it comes.
All right, I require that everyone be employed on probation in this court unless they're receiving SSI or there's some reason why they can't work. You understand?
Yes.
All right, if your drug test is today, what are the results going to be?
That should be okay.
Well, why do you say you should be able to pass? Here's the thing. You've already pled to this.
Yes.
I'm trying to consider conditions for you so you'll be successful. Obviously, the state doesn't want to send you to prison because if they did, they wouldn't have offered this. So, smoke what? What do you mean this is a one-time deal?
What happened with this case, the charge sensitive?
So basically, you're telling me if I send you off in the world without any treatment, you will never test positive for cocaine. All right, because I'm telling you now is the time if you need help with your drug issues, now's the time to do that. Well, no, I mean, either you need it or you don't.
Yes,
I mean, either you're going to test positive for drugs today other than marijuana or you're not. So if we do a drug test right now, she's available to do a drug test. And I know people see the female probation officer and you think we can't get a drug test done. We just have a male come down and do it. So where are we on your UA? Is it going to be clean or is it going to be? All right. So what are you going to be positive for?
No.
And what else?
Okay.
All right. So why are we playing these games? Not telling the truth.
Yeah,
Being dishonest to the court. Right?
Yeah.
Why does it take me having to get probation to waste a UA on you when everybody's agreed for you to have deferred adjudication? All you have to do is come up here and tell me what your drugs are. So how often are you using cocaine?
It's not a good idea.
How often are you using cocaine? You knew you were coming to court today and you used cocaine. So how often are you using?
No, maybe. I can't give you how often because I don't do it all the time. Let's say if you want to put something on it, maybe once a month.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's a $1,500 fine. That's going to be probated. He's going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. 2 years deferred adjudication. No unsupervised contact with minors. Who do you live with? All right. There's 120 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes the parenting classes, that will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation that can be out of custody. Follow recommendations. The UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits, one time per month for 3 months, and then at probation's discretion. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Thank you. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Honesty is the best policy in this court. If you have an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come to the court. You understand?
Yes.
And guess what? Anytime when you enter a plea, at least in this court, and the state has offered you deferred, it's past time for you to be dishonest. Like, ooh, if I say this, what's going to happen?
Courtrooms don't just hand down punishments. They reveal the real consequences of the choices people make. What do you think? Were these sentences fair, or should the judge have ruled differently? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy courtroom breakdowns, legal analysis, and real justice stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next courtroom breakdown.